Me eat that road, yeah. Me eat that road, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can I get anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hi again to another video. So before we get into this video, I want you guys to do me a very huge favor. I'm gonna put my friend right here. She's a YouTuber like myself. She's new and upcoming, and we all know that it is hard for us YouTubers, especially those in the Caribbean. So she is a Jamaican like myself. I'm gonna put her right here so you guys can go check out her channel, show her some love. Please, me a big no, show her some love. I'm gonna put her link in the description and you can click it and go over her page. Before you subscribe, just watch our video for about 1 minute or more, and me I tell you, I'm not gonna watch it for more than a minute because she's very funny, she's relatable, and she does spit facts. So you can just go up on our channel if you want a deep meds, cause sister nothing but the truth. So me I'm big enough, just go over to our channel and show her some love. And we'll get into the video now. So guys, for today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm getting ready to go to this very special event. I'm gonna come up on my face and all these things. So I am going to Instagram and Snapchat. I'm not gonna wait till me there. I'm not gonna see Karen still there. Wait, Karen still there? I see people go dance and them something there. I'm not talk a family get together. I'm talking a dance with selector and over 100 people there, and them a drink and music a play. I mean, I say nobody know man a mask. I mean, say Karen mouse gone. She can't still there, so and people are going so. Okay. Do my brows off camera and come back with the eye portion. I'm not gonna really go in detail for the face portion like foundation. I'm just gonna do it and you guys watch me do it, but I'm gonna go in depth for the eyes. Okay guys, my brows are done. My brows are done, and I prime my eyelids with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 9. Now I'm moving into eyes, and I'm going to be using this mini palette by Bang Beauty. So the first shade I'm going to be taking is this brown shade in my crease, and I'm going to blend it out with the black shade. I'm going to use this shade to blend out the top, and then I'm going to use a yellow from this palette. If this shade doesn't work to blend out the brown, I'm going to take my orange and yellow from my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. So that's how I'm gonna blend it in step. The brown, smoke out the brown with the black, this color, and then the yellow, guys. And I forgot to mention that I am wearing fusion lashes. You see, you can't even tell, they're so natural. I did this, if you're in Kingston, Jamaica, I did my lashes at Lashed by LC. So look them up on Instagram and get you some nice fusion lashes. Pinning this palette, but I'm going to be using this mirror because this doesn't have a mirror and that mirror is too far. So yeah, dipping into the brown. Look like it have a lot of fallouts. So if you're gonna use this palette, use it before your foundation. So do your eye before your foundation.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
No, I'm using the orange, and I did end up using the orange from the Juvia's palette.
Can't do much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Okay guys, now I'm going to do a cut crease. Let me show you guys the full color in the dark. Now for the cut crease, I'm going to be using this loose powder by Steve Laurent. It's in the shade Rose Gold, and I'm going to apply it to the cut crease.
I've been stuck on your memory.
So guys, this is the eye look. I'm gonna apply lashes, but I wanted to show you guys the look before lashes, and then I'm gonna go into my face makeup now. Lashes are on, and now I'm going to move into my face.
But it's not like I need it, and you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it, and you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna.
Feel uninvited. Left your home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Yeah, don't forget to check the link for my friend's channel in the description box. Show her some love. Can you know it hard. Just show her some love now. Show her some love. You not pay for it. And make sure you show me some love. So like the video, comment, share the video with a friend then, because I eat that road. I eat that road, guys. Now for help me for me get rich, so I can have one nice place to film phone, so I have to bite them. I drive up and down on the video them. Yeah, this is it for my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, babies. That's so nice. I wanna go. I count the babies. Yeah. Bye.